Okay, today we're moving to the new concept that is teraform modules. Here MS Paint. See, anyone tell me what is the meaning of module? If you know it, what is the meaning of module? Just your words. Anyone?
Set of
Mod-
parts
Yeah, very good.
separation.
No? Setter. Very good. Very good. See, here is container of .df files. Very simple. Container of .df files or whatever you said, same set of .df files. See, in C language module concept is there, in Java package concept is there, like that. In .NET, some other concept is there, but here we are calling the word module. I hope you got the clarity. Module is nothing but container or set of .df files. Just we are grouping within a folder, within a folder. Grouping, grouping, grouping and placing within a folder. This is the general term. Above one is the technical. So, but modules are two types. No? Here, according to this terminology, I am telling. One is the child module. Second one, can you guess it? Second one, can you guess it? What is the opposite of child is? What is the opposite of child?
Adult.
No, no, no. It opposite in the sense, who is the uh, child, father and mother, what we can call it as?
Parent child.
Yeah, good, good, good.
Parent.
Parent module or technical word I am using, root module. Root module. Here modules are two types. One is the child module. Second one is the parent or root module. Have you got the clarity? Here, see, first which module we may create? Can you guess it now? First, child is we need to create, or parent root module we need to create it.
Root modules.
Okay, you are thinking like that, but I'm giving the small clarity. I'm giving the small clarity. See, you think like this, you may tell the right answer. This is module 1, this is module 2, this is module 3. I'm going to give small clarification, then we'll talk on that. This module name is S3 bucket. This module name is S3 bucket. Try to understand S3 bucket. S3 bucket creation. This module name is VPC creation. VPC creation. VPC. This module name is instance creation. This module name is instance creation. Like that, we may go for IAM user module like that. See, all these three modules I am calling within this area. Within this area. I am calling, simply try to understand what I am trying to use is, see, here is the module, or else directly, okay, no problem. Module. What is the name of the module? S3 hyphen bucket. After that, you need to go with curly braces. There you need to use source. SOURC. Source is equal to whatever the module name. Whatever the module in the sense, I am going to give diagrammatic representation. You may get the clarity. This one I am placing here. See, now I am giving the clarity. This is the child module 1, CM1. This is, CM2, right? Child module 2, CM2. This is the child module 3. According to our terminology, which module we are creating first? Now observe and tell me. Which modules we are creating first? We are creating first child modules. Those modules, if you want it, you can call it here, you can call it here. Maybe you may ask, I created three, I want to use student two. Okay, no problem, you can use it. See, simply we can say, simply someone is trying to join. Sure, good evening. See, simply what I
Good
am
evening.
trying to explain is modules are reusable components. Are you agree with me? Reusable components, NEMTs. Are you agree with me? And now quickly guide me. Which modules, according to our Terraform concept, which modules we are creating first? We are creating child module first, where we are calling those child modules within the root module. Within the root module. Now try to understand one more thing. Suppose I created three child modules. I called here this module. I may call it somewhere else. Yes, we can call it. At the time, this is the child module. Some other one is the root module. Are understanding or not? Grandparent, parent, child. Got it or not? Grandparent, parent, child. This is assumed child. This is assumed parent. The last one is what? Grandparent. Grandparent. Grandparent is calling my parent. My parent is calling me. Myself, I may call my child. Like that, we can work with other. If the story is clear, I may go for some other way. This is only briefing description regarding module concept. But according to maybe Terraform, I may go and create modules once again two types. Modules once again, modules once again two types. Two types, two types. Try to understand. One is predefined modules. Second one is user defined or customized. User defined, DEFINED, user defined or customized. Here I given which type of module, child module. Based on the question, you need to, someone may ask you, maybe explain about modules. You may go your way. They may interrupt you. They may ask you, no, 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 I don't want child and root module. I want to some other way of modules. Means at that time you go for that is which type of modules, predefined and user defined. Predefined already Terraform registry, Terraform repository already having it. Terraform registry, Terraform repository already having it. User defined means you can create yourself. You can create yourself. If you got the clarity, we may go for simple example. Shall we go for that? Anyone? Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir, audible, sir. Free to finish.
Yeah. Good. Now I'm going to implement one predefined first, then I go for user defined. Because of predefined means very simple. Predefined means very simple. Our duty is gathering and copy paste. Now, copy paste. Now I'm going to open. Now I'm going to open. There, take the new tab. Take the new tab. Someone is trying to connect. Okay. Someone is disconnected and reconnected, right? Okay, good to go. Now what I am trying to tell? Just see Terraform, Terraform, Terraform modules, modules, modules. She has HashiCorp developer Terraform modules sim browse modules Terraform registry. I said right. My registry contain dash. Tell me the answer, anyone? Registry contain dash. Anyone? My Docker registry contain dash, at least you know, right? Docker, you know, right? Little bit. Docker registry contain. Now, registry contain repositories. Registry contain repository is the right answer. See, I may click on Terraform registry. Terraform registry. See, these are all predefined modules. These are all predefined modules. You may take anyone for easy understanding. For easy understanding, I may go for instance because of real time. We may use majority of the times we go with instance related stuff. Where is the instance? No? Where is the instance? You may check it. That instance. INSTANC instance. Enter it. Are you getting module related instance? Instance. Where only you read AWS related. They are providers, AWS related providers. Their IAM, VPC, where is the instance? EKS, security group, Lambda, KMS, RDS, multiple things are there. I need to get it. Or else I may go with S3 bucket. No worries. Click on here, just click on here. Even I may take instance also, maybe possible. There, where is the search? Here only, right? I need to search, ma. This one only search, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Instance. Yeah, instance already there. Check it. Somewhere just now I have seen. Just now I have seen INSTANCE. Yeah, I have instance cluster. See, resource AWS instance is there. Got it? Resource instance. Now I think here it is visible or not. There it is shown, but here is not showing. Here it is not showing. Just I go for page 2, check it. Page 2 is having instance. Page 2 having instance. Yeah. Now got it, ma. Have you recognized? See, 14.1 million. 1 million is equal to anyone? 1 million is equal to how? Anyone? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. See that means maybe 1.4 crore, I think 1.4, right? Those many people they use it till now. Now what I am trying to do is just click once. That is our critic. Now just here, just scroll down. Here, how many lines of code is there? Only two lines of code. Only two lines of. This is one way of using. Very simple way I am telling. Control C. Control C. What to do here? Windows key R, CMD, CMD. What I am trying to do? Just I will go for Notepad. See dir star dot tf. Any tf files are there. Okay, main dot tf is there. I am opening Notepad. Notepad main dot tf. Good. Now you know provider block is AP South one. That is the default. Remaining things I am remove it. Now our duty is what? Control V. That's all. Is it simple or complex? Just observe that word module, the keyword predefined word is module. This is the local name. Here you can give Madhu, you can give Kishore, you can give Ramya. But meaningful name, right? Which type of module we are using? EC2 instance. That's why we're giving that name. Source is equal to Terraform AWS modules. They are EC2 instance that related to AWS. They developed one version that is the 5.6.1. Is it simple or complex? This is the predefined module utilization. This is one way. This is the learner way of usage. But industry people, how they use. After completion of this, I may try to explain. Just I am closing this, save it. Now what I am trying to do? Terraform, terraform init, terraform init. After that, terraform, just I go for plan. See clearly what it is stating that already two one is the VPC, second one is the subnet was there. That's why it is going to deleting two to destroy. Which one is creating? Kishore, tell me which one is now it is creating? That is the EC2 instance related stuff, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen app auto. What is the problem? Spelling mistake? Terraform apply, right? You need to go for apply. Apply hyphen auto. Everything taking from default VPC, those related stuff. It is creating an instance. We'll check it. But reality, we won't use like this. We may use some other way. But this is the basic way to implement, a basic way to understand. I think Madhuvani last 2 to 3 days I didn't see you. You didn't connect.
No, sir.
Okay. What about your laptop, ma? Is it?
So, yes, sir, it's
Actually,
updated. Wednesday, I'll get to you.
you maybe you given to someone, maybe you got it. Now is it
Yes, sir.
working proper or not? Your feeling is
I
good or
still
not?
not yet received, sir. Still not yet
Oh,
received. Today, I'm going to
just
get it.
okay, okay. Submitted there.
Yes, sir.
If possible, tomorrow you try to interact with me, maybe in the sense you try to get it, you try to install all the required
Okay.
softwares.
Sure, sir.
Just I'm going to connect it to AWS. We need to check it what happens. That is the predefined module that that Terraform people they written maybe hundreds of lines. We need to check in that one also. If that is capital X or small x, take it and tell me. I think capital X or small x. X C
Small
M X, small x only. Okay, we need to check it either small or capital.
Captain.
Okay, good to go. We are in Mumbai. I need to enter into EC2. Yeah, we are very happy because of one instance got created, right? Check it. Just now one instance got created. We didn't specify any naming convention with the T2 micro. Now see, it is status check initializing. What does it mean? Just now only started. Just now only started. But so even though it is created, I want to connect with the SSH may not possible. Maybe according to my knowledge, I am telling may not possible. You may ask why it may not possible. Check it. I am clicking on SSH client, ma. SSH client. There you check it. SSH client. See who know SSH hyphen I good. My SSS means secure shell. I means interactive ID underscore RSA. Such type of key already am I having or not? I hope I am not having. I didn't mention key name. By default, that took one ID underscore RSA. Who created this key? I didn't create. That is what maybe drawback, right? I need to specify my key. I need to specify my PEM file. In AWS, before creating an instance, generally we are creating PEM file or not? At least respond, Kishore.
Yes.
Generally, are we creating or not? That key you need to specify. I didn't specify. But here, nowadays, the good procedure is we need to connect. See, am I able to connect means maybe possible. See, port 22 SSH is not authorized. It is saying something. Okay, anyway, not authorized. You try to connect it. I am telling. Maybe now the latest fashion is automatically it may connect. Automatically it may connect. Yeah, even failed to connect to your instance. See, someone developed very happy. We are trying to use this one. Instance got created, but I am not able to connect. Is there any uses for this instance? I think no, right? We are wasting the resource. Per 1 hour, we may pay at least 20 rupees. This is not the good thing. But I said, right, industry people may not use directly, they may use some other way. How they use? First, I am going to destroy. First, I am going to destroy this. Now, quickly respond how to destroy this. Even see something is going wrong here. VPC has dependencies and cannot be deleted. Something it is saying, I may go for destroy. I may go for destroy. Now it is going to destroy. After destroying, they are rechecking really is it destroying or not. They refresh it, click on instances, click on instances. Now shutting down. After that terminate. After that terminated. It is going to terminate. Now our intention is what I am trying to explain. Please observe what I am trying to explain. Their AWS EC2 instance Terraform module. See Kishore, they given see single EC2 instance. Single EC2 instance, multiple EC2 instances. See spot instance. They given different examples with the module. Shall I go single EC2 instance first? Just copy it.
Yeah, okay.
Just copy it. You need to enter into your module. See whatever you copied, that is the child module stuff. Where you want to paste it. There, see after completion of this, I'm going to take new one. CMD, you know it, the notepad main.tf. Now I need to change small thing. What I am trying to change, observe. This is common. See, this main.tf is the main module you can consider. Within the main module,
Parent.
what I am trying to paste it, this is the child module. This is the child module. There, this is very common, name is single instance, leave it. Instance type T2 micro. Now see here, what is the key name already you know, right? Girls, tell me, what is our key name? What is our key name? I think already we created one key, man. Already we created one key. What is the key name, Kishore?
Private key.
PRIVAT, private key. Got it or not? I think Madhuvadi is not there for last 2 days. That's why she don't know which key we got created. Ma, you got it at least. What is the key name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You may
Private
ask
key.
me. You may ask me. Now, how can I know Windows key, ma? See the downloads. See the downloads folder. See private key we got created or not? This key I am
Yes,
using
sir.
there. This key I am using there. Now what to do? Monitoring. Monitoring. Oh, don't want monitoring. What? We need to pay. If I specify true means we need to pay additional amount. False. There VPC security group IDs. One security group ID. Which security group? You need to specify your default security group ID. Till now you don't know, right? There you remove it, you need to go and get it. Now guide me, ma. I don't know how to get it. Default security group ID. Kishore, tell me, how can I identify default security group ID? You tell me.
Go for security groups.
Just you go to security groups, right? Security groups. There I may go and click on security groups. More identifying my security groups. In that, somewhere the word default is there. This is the default security group. Now check it. Somewhere 173, some number may be there. Where is that? 173. Where is that number? VPC ID. Default security group. VPC, right? SG. I mean security groups or VPC? Security groups only, right? Yes. I need to get default security. Maybe I may take this one. What it is there? There VPC ID. First, I need to go VPC is my default VPC. This is default VPC ID. I don't know. There I may go and check it. VPC. First VPC is the check the default VPC. Default VPC. There four are there. Within that, our VPC. This is the one default. See F93. F93 is the default one. I'm trying to delete these three. These three. Going to delete VPC. Yes, type delete. The same I am deleting one more. And also we need to apply delete. Actions delete VPC. Delete VPC. Now good to go. Now you know F93. You need to check more. Going to security groups. Security. There we need to go for EC2. Within that EC2 only security groups are there. Click on EC2. There security groups. Within that we need to check security group. The VPC ID. What is the VPC ID? Which VPC? There F93 I think, right? F93. I launch wizard 1. Where is launch wizard 1? Launch wizard 1. Maybe check it. Their default is there. Click on default. Their VPC ID. Security group ID. Where is security group ID? Security group ID. This is right. Security group ID. Where to paste it? Everybody know it. Where to paste it? You know it. There I am pasting. In the same way, subnet ID. Subnet ID. How can I gather subnet ID? Quickly respond. Subnet IDs. Subnet. If you want to get it subnet, you need to go to VPC. You need to go to VPC. This is security group ID. Okay. VPC ID. Remember, F93 VPC ID. VPC F93. I took F93 related. F93. Good. Within that subnet. See, I need to get one public subnet. How can I identify public subnet? Please respond. How can I recognize public subnet? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah, good, good. How can I recognize public subnet? Anyone, both of you? How can I recognize public subnet? See, you need to click on subnet, just try to understand. You need to click on subnet. After clicking subnet, there see, click on route table. Click on route table. There see, IGW is there or not? IGW. Is it? See, Kishore,
Yes.
wherever if you click on that, if you got IGW means 0.0.0 by 0, if it is added, that subnet is public subnet. Maybe we checked one. Really, that is public subnet, right? We are very happy. Maybe. In the same way, I may go for one another. That means 9A6, this one. I may go for some other one. This one also I am checking. Is it really public or not? How can I know? That I may go for once again route table. Once again route table. See, even this two also may be IGW is there, right? By default, VPC contain how many availability, how many AG's availability zones? In Mumbai, three availability zones are there. Each availability zone having one public subnet. Kishore, got the clarity? This is the entire question. How can I recognize one subnet is public subnet? Any subnet, it is added with the IGW. Such subnets are public subnets. I hope you got the clarity. I may go with the third one. Third one also I am checking. You know how to check it. You need to click on just route table. That route table is having here also IGW. We are very happy. There I may take one subnet ID. How to get it subnet ID? See, it is the subnet ID. Subnet ID. Yes, copy. In this subnet only, our instance will be created. Our instance will be created. Now, how to add this? Now, this is the industry standard. I am telling because of one by one how to add it, how to do it. Control V. Now tags, Terraform. Now I am adding our own tag. Why I need to add own tag? Try to remember. Name. Name. I am giving is equal to there I am giving Kishore hyphen MB. Like that I am giving. We need to see that that instance name is the tag name is having Madhuvani description. Remaining these two are we can see with the tags. Now everything is fine. I think we are very happy. Control S, Control S. We are trying to implement this. What to do, ma? Just we go for Terraform, apply hyphen auto. Now what happening? Module EC2 instance. This module is not yet initialized. Oh, good. Terraform. First, what it is expecting? Hey, you try to implement init. Just now we did some modification, right? We did some modification, right? Ma, try to remember. Try to remember. Whenever if you add a new module, you must initialize. Otherwise, what about? It won't initialize provider plugin. And now what to do? Terraform, Terraform, apply auto apply. Now happily instance got created. Happily we can go and connect to that instance also. We'll see. This is the industry standard and everything is fine for us. If you are already voted, will you go for vote?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Already
Already voted.
vote is over.
Yes, sir.
What about you, man?
Done, sir. Completed.
Done. Good, good, good.
You, sir?
All morning 9:30, 10 in between, ma. I completed my vote.
Oh, okay.
Now check it. Now check it. Instance got created or not? How can I check it? Go to EC2. Go to EC2. You are from Tirupati or maybe any other place, ma? You are native.
Sir,
Madhuvani.
I am from Chittoor.
Oh, Chittur. Chittur
Uh,
means?
Chittoor
I,
only, sir. My education is
Chit-
completed in Chittoor.
Chittur in the sense I know Chittur because of my I studied ninth, 10th, inter first year, second year there only.
So we used to stay in Mittur, sir. Police ground backside
Okay, okay, Mittur.
near Raghavendra Theatre.
Yeah, my what about grandma house also there only there. There also I stayed 1 month. Maybe
So my degree also I completed in
Oh,
Vijayam Degree
VGM degree
College.
college.
Yes.
BSc, my
BSc sir, MSc.
BS, MS, yes. I think only two members, one Kishore, one maybe Ravi Prasad. Only those people came for your practical exams. Na. Generally, Vijayam College only, those are my friends. Regularly, they may come for examiners.
Okay.
Even
As a
you don't know those names,
lecturer,
right?
sir.
Generally, no practical
No.
examiners, right?
Yes, yes. I don't know them, sir.
Generally, students may not know those practical examiners names.
Names.
Okay. Now this is created, right? Now you need to check it. Now, when we can happy if it is connected with the SSH, try to understand. Why it is not able to, is not authorized. We'll check it, man. Click on SSH. Now see, our key name is there or not? See, check it. Private hyphen key dot pem. Now see, copy this. Windows key E, going to which drive? Downloads. Downloads. There you need to right click. There, show more. Click on git bash. Just right click and paste it. Enter. Now it may ask you confirmation, fingerprint confirmation, or I think SSH is not configured in that. We'll go and modify this. How to do that one? Kishore, explain how to do that one. Just going to instances.
Traffic will be.
Now just see where is that. One step back, instances. There, drop, scroll down. Just click on instance. There, you need to go for security. In that security, you
Security.
need to check default security group.
Yes.
SSH
Inbound
is, I think, not configured. I think may not, see, not configured. Going to edit inbound rules. This stuff you need to check it. This is, see, companies also, they may provide similar way. What to do? Add rule. This is our duty in company also. You need to go for a custom TCP in place of custom TCP. Quickly respond SSH. Yes,
yes.
22. You need to select with anywhere IP4. Now this is good. Save rules. Now see, once it is over, quickly up arrow, enter it. It is asking confirmation, right? Yes. I hope it is okay for you. This is the way we can work with existing modules. Is it clear for you? See, either existing module or user defined module, two words you need to remember. What are those two words? Quickly respond. I am writing blind clue I am giving. First word is the module. That word somewhere is there or not? Check it and tell me, anyone. That word module somewhere it is there or not? See, within our
Yes, sir.
code
Model is
somewhere
there.
module.
Yes, it is.
In the same way, you need to remember source. SOURC. Source word is there or not? Simply, we can
Yes, sir.
say how to understand module source. That module source we are mentioning. This is the path. This is the path where it was there, where it is there. Got it or not? This is the very simple way to understand. I told one module, right? Like that, you can create some. We can work with hundreds of modules. This is the simplest way to work with module concept. In the same way, we need to work with one user defined modules. We can create our own module. We can create our own module. I may show you very simple way. Very simple. First, we need to create our own, right? Now I am going to enter into here. Please observe. This is the directory. I am creating name, folder name is mkdir Madhu. MADHU. Just am I got created on folder? Are you agree with me? Yes or no? One folder got
Yes.
created. Yeah. I need to enter into Madhuma. I need to enter into that folder. Tell me, ma, what is the command Madhu? I need to enter into Madhu directory. You know,
CD.
yeah, CD. CD means change into directory. Which directory? Madhu directory. This Madhu is the directory. I am feeling like a child module. I am feeling like a child module. There I am creating notepad main.tf, assume main.tf. In this main.tf, I am creating only for VPC. You know the code, right? Resource. Quickly tell me. AWS underscore VPC. Maybe I am giving the name Madhu VPC, Madhu underscore or Madhu hyphen VPC. This is my intention. Now you know CADR block, you know CIDR underscore BLOCK block is it. Tell me one number. Tell me one IP address. Tell me one IP range. Tell me one IP range. Cider block range. Kishore, tell me one cider block range. How to specify? Maybe 4 byte representation like that 50 dot 60 dot 0 dot 0 by 16, right? 16. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now you go for tax. Tax is equal to their name is equal to maybe I am using MADHU Madhu hyphen VPC. Madhu hyphen VPC. Is it clear for you? This is the very simple code. Very simple code. And if it is okay for you, I may close this notepad. Shall I close this? Is there any
Yes.
special thing? Nothing is there, right? Just a VPC related stuff. One cider block is there, one tag is there. That's all. Save it. Madhu module got created. How can use this module? One step back. You need to remember that. One step back. There I'm opening notepad main.tf. This is the main module. Main module in the sense, this is the root module. Within the root module, you know the stuff, right? You know the stuff. Now assume this is nothing, no need of all these things. That module I am calling. Now tell me what is the module name? Why are feeling like that? Which folder I got created? Tell me, ma. Which folder I got created? Which folder I got created?
Remember.
MADHU. Is it clear for you, Madhu? Is it clear for you, Madhu?
Yes.
See, our stuff, our VPC related stuff was available. What is which folder, ma? On which folder that stuff is there? Dot slash. That stuff is there in the Madhu folder. Actually, this name is any name, ma. This name is MV. I may go for Madhuvani, but this is I may not give Madhuvani. Why? This is the folder. This is the folder name where your code was there, where your code is there. Where is your code? Within the Madhu only, right? Are you agree with me?
Yes.
This is your own name. But industry people what they are telling that name also MADHU Madhu hyphen VPC related stuff. Madhu hyphen VPC related. Are you agree with me? I said right. This is your own naming convention. But this is only folder name representation. If I am not wrong, it will work. We'll check it. Save it. Save it. We'll try to. What is that? Terraform. Terraform. F4. Terraform init. Now Terraform. Terraform. Apply. It may ask the confirmation. See why want to add, want to destroy. Anyone can guess it. Already instance was there. That is destroying and it is doing one VPC. One VPC. I am giving yes confirmation. Check it what happening. What is the VPC? What is the VPC name I got created? I think Madhu VPC, right? So check it here. Madhu VPC. We are going to check it. Creating modules are very simple if you know the procedure. There, click on here. See, second module, I think second VPC, two VPCs are there. Just now we got created Madhu VPC. Is it clear for you? This is the way we can create our own modules also. Our own modules also. I think if it is clear for you module concept, today I may stop. Why? People are very less, right? You and Kishore only. Okay. Tomorrow morning. tomorrow morning we may go for Kubernetes, right? Kubernetes. Okay,
Oh,
thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss today.